Check out our new video thumbnail for courses. This feature is going to allow you to set specific frames from the video as a thumbnail, enhancing the visual appeal and the professionalism of your online courses. This is really going to improve visual appeal because you can make your course content more engaging and professional. It's also a very simplified process. Now you can easily select and set a frame from your video as the thumbnail. It's also enhanced navigation because you can ensure your course navigation is visually appealing and it matches with your video for every single lesson. Now, when creating an online course, you can select an engaging frame from each and every video to serve as the thumbnail, making your course more attractive and easier for users to navigate. Let me show you exactly how to use this feature. First, you're going to go to Memberships in the left-hand navigation, and then you're going to navigate up to Courses. Then select Products, and then create a new product. Once you're in that product, you're going to select the course content. You'll do that by clicking on Courses, then Outline, then Course Content. Now we're going to upload our video. Once that video is uploaded, you're going to see that you can now generate the thumbnail. So you're going to go ahead and click on this button, and you're going to decide if that is the frame you'd like to use for your thumbnail. Now go ahead and set that thumbnail for the lesson thumbnail. This feature makes your online course content more visually appealing and easier to navigate. It's going to enhance the overall user experience for both you and for your students. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.